If LibreOffice is showing an unknown I/O error, don't worry. In many cases, this is caused by a crashed previous session or a hidden lock file that makes the document look like it is still in use. In this video, I'll show you a quick and safe way to fix it, and I'll also show you the best recovery step if the problem is caused by your user profile. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice and go to the top menu, click Help, and then choose Restart in Safe Mode. This opens LibreOffice with troubleshooting options that can fix startup and file access issues without you having to reinstall anything. When the Safe Mode dialog appears, look for the checkbox next to Reset to Factory Settings and select it. This step helps clear out settings that may be causing the unknown I/O error in the first place. Now choose Reset Entire User Profile. This is one of the most effective fixes because LibreOffice stores preferences, cached data, and session information in your profile. And if that profile becomes corrupted, it can trigger file opening problems or strange I/O errors. After selecting that option, click Apply Changes and Restart. LibreOffice will close, reset the profile, and launch again with fresh settings. In many cases, that alone is enough to fix the issue. If the problem was caused by a hidden session lock file from a previous crash, this restart process can also help clear that out. A crashed session may leave behind a temporary lock file that tricks LibreOffice into thinking the document is permanently in use, even when it is not. That is why the file may fail to open and show an unknown I/O error. Once LibreOffice restarts, try opening the document again. If it works, the issue was likely tied to the old session lock or a corrupted user profile. If not, you may need to repeat the safe mode reset and make sure the entire user profile was reset properly. This is a very practical fix because it addresses both the most common causes, bad profile data and leftover lock files from a previous crash. It is simple, it is safe, and it usually takes only a few moments. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.